Guys, this is Andre here with the Wings Mobile Detailing franchise. Today we're going to go on the board and explain step by step how to start your mobile detailing business. But not only that, we're not only going to cover what you need, the supplies that you need, which you probably already know, but we're going to cover the most important thing, ways to do the marketing, how much money you're going to spend, and where to start. That's the most important thing. Knowing how to get the materials, we're going to cover all that. That is important. But most importantly, what you guys need to know is the marketing, because making money is essential in any business. So let's get started. All right, so for most of you that are starting now or a detailing business and you want to start on a budget, there are different ways that you can start. From here, that's when you start, if you make the decision of going bigger. If you want to expand your business after you start. So we're going to focus more on starting your business in a lower budget, and we're going to do that in less than 5 minutes. So the supplies that you need, you're probably going to need van and supplies. You can opt to get more of the basic supplies, no water tank, no generator, for around $2,500. For around $2,500, and then if you decide, okay, I want to actually buy everything, I want to get a generator or water tank to maximize on the amount of profit that I'll make, meaning I'm going to be able to get more clients in parking lot, because as a mobile detailer, you're going to get those clients. So then here you're going to probably spend around $3,500. $3,500 here. If you're going to start from a van and not from your car, you can finance the van, and you check the prices. Let's say it's $30,000 to get a van. So that's the things you're going to need. Perhaps you don't even know how to do the detail yet. You're still learning. You're watching a bunch of videos how to do so. When you start, you're going to do the marketing as well. The marketing, you can start with, let's say, Craigslist, for example, and you're gonna create, and here you can create ads on Craigslist for like $5, literally $5. You're gonna get more of the lower end clients, but you're catching everything at the beginning. And then the social media accounts. So, that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna start all social media. You want to be omnipresent. You're an entrepreneur, so you want to be everywhere. Create all types of social media accounts. You're not going to spend money on it. You might not spend money on the ads at first, but if you do, there's options, pay-per-click. But you might not get any clients from here. Just creating accounts, start posting photos, and you're gonna to post photos. But this is starting your business. On the marketing, you're gonna do that and create flyers as well. Let's put $100 here, because if you get flyers, business cards, and all that. But how do you do it? How do you go to marketing? You're gonna get flyers. Like every business, there's no magical formula unless you start a franchise and you start getting clients on your door and profiting right away. So here, if you're in a limited budget, you're definitely gonna want to start on your power base to do the marketing. This is how you start getting those small clients. The Craigslist already here that you're paying this for an ad, you can probably in the second month already get a few clients here and there from your Craigslist, from the flyers, from your friends and family, and groups on Facebook. So this is very important. If you go on Facebook, you have your social media account, and you go to groups and you start posting your services there, take some pictures of your own car, detail your car first. You start small. We're gonna cover on how to do the more intricate stuff here, but this requires more money right here. The systems is what you're gonna need to place the calls. You receive calls, phone, but you're probably gonna use your phone at the beginning, and then a CRM system. You can use Google Calendar to schedule the clients. And at the beginning, you don't need a strong CRM system like we need here later on, but we're gonna go over that. Google Calendar, you can create an account. Credit card processing. For credit card processing, that's if you decide to start collecting credit card right from the get-go. When I started, I didn't have a credit card processing. I would only take check or cash because I wouldn't want to pay for the fees. But it's very inexpensive to start this. You do have a transaction fee, a percentage that you have to pay to them. So Square is one of them. It's a great thing, and they also have calendar if you want to use the Square calendar on the app. They have other ones for just like as House Call Pro, but that's a CRM, so that's probably gonna go here on the growth. Now learning detail,
one of the most important things, because you want to provide a quality service. You want to make your clients happy. So to learn, you can go on YouTube. You want to learn how to wash cars, and then you get more into the deeper services. I'm going into water here. How to shampoo, how to polish a car. Education is very important, guys, so you need all of that. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this YouTube channel, I'm gonna go over how to do everything, how to clay bar a car, just everything, even how to clay. So you're probably gonna go in order when you don't know at the beginning, or if you're part of the Wings franchise, you have all the included with that is a Wings Mobile Detailing Academy, which you learn every little thing from starting your business, building your van, to learning how to detail. Okay, so right here I changed it, guys, because at the beginning we're gonna go over the business name and then the legal stuff, the licensing that you need to start a business. The business name, if you decide to start your own business and you want to decide on a name, on a logo, on this nice thing here, guys, you first want to start here before you get here. You want to start marketing to know that you can make money before you focus on, because choosing a business name, a business logo is going to take you time. And while you're doing all of this, preparing your business, make money, this is not the most important stuff at the beginning. The most important stuff is to get your business going. Don't focus too much on this. As you're doing this, you can focus on creating and for the logo, once you come up with a name, you can get ideas from the internet, but there are websites here that you want to check, which is Namecheck. Namecheck.com is a website, and there are many others that you'll be able to see if your business name is not taken on the social media accounts. So as you're creating your name, you want to make sure that you would have your username of the name of your company is not already used on any Facebook, Twitter. Namecheck.com will be able to tell you if these names are already taken. And if they are, I suggest you that take another name that you're more free, more unique name perhaps. The legal stuff is business license. You go to your county. And you get a business license from your county. And you want to start an LLC as well. Or if you want to start a different corporation, but if you want to start an LLC, you go to State Corporation Commission. That's how you start your LLC, and it's probably going to cost you around, let's say $100 here, no more than that, I don't think. To get your business license with your county is probably going to cost you around $25. Now, here's on growing your business. Here's on the second level. This is not a video on how to start, but subscribe to this YouTube, because on the next video we're gonna go over on more how to grow your business, how to hire employees, offer training, train yourself even, create a website and SEO. You're gonna spend some money here, perhaps thousands for you to do, depending if you wanna do a good website, a good mobile website with the SEO, so it goes on the front page and you start getting clients. It takes time and it takes money. This is the focus. Accounting software, you need accounting for you to separate expenses, do right with the Uncle Sam. CRM systems, you're probably gonna need something better than Google Calendar if you're gonna start hiring employees for you. You're gonna need to track your van. You're gonna need everything. There's so much stuff. And insurance as well. You're gonna probably need employee, workers' comp, a good business insurance. Perhaps you didn't get insurance here because you're just starting. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you how much money you can make with the detailing business. It's a wonderful business, especially in the year of 2022. This business is it's growing because more people are getting more cars, and we're gonna go in the next video and explain it to you guys. But subscribe, and on here, you guys can skip all this if you decide to do the Wings Mobile Detailing franchise, because all of these intricacies here, we're gonna actually offer you. The clients with the franchise offer the training, the secretary, the website, the SEO. You're gonna start here, but instead with the Wings Mobile Detailing franchise, you would actually start right here, because this You get it all done in a heartbeat. We take care of the rest. We really take care of the learning process, system, marketings. You get the supplies, the name here, the legal stuff. We take care of it. So you start here with the Wings Mobile Detailing franchise. That's it for today, guys. Subscribe and go on to this next video, and you're gonna see how much you profit from the mobile detailing business.